Welcome to a new video. In this video we will talk about iPhone problem. Logo keeps flashing and no boot up, system will not show up. What can happen and what can be the reason? Primary reason for this can be damaged battery. If you recently changed battery without turning phone off, that's the reason, and you need to reinstall full system. You can do it by connecting your mobile phone to PC and rebooting using iTunes. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.